Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, All Things Michkiah. Today I'll be making carrot juice, which is a very popular drink back home. We usually have it for Sunday dinner or for special occasion. There are many versions of how to make carrot juice. Some people like to grate their carrot and then juice it. I personally like to boil mine and then use the water and everything to make the drink. That way I don't need to use the carrot and it's a little bit more thick. So if you want to see how I make this, definitely stay tuned. Okay, first I'm going to peel my carrots. You can use as much as you want, but definitely enough for it to taste like carrot juice. This is going to be really simple, quick recipe because after these are peeled and then I wash them, dice them and put them in the pot, wait for them to boil. After that it's just blending and mixing together, and that will be pretty much it. So let's put it in video. When I was growing up, we didn't have this fancy peeler, so for the same concept of peeling the carrot, instead of, because we didn't have one of this, we used to just use the back of the knife like this, and it's the same thing. Yep, just like so. Same thing as this. Yeah, that's just a little trick. Okay, so I washed my carrots and I have a pot of boiling water that I'm just going to add my carrot to. I'm just going to let it boil until it's nice and cooked, and then I'm going to blend it and make my drink. Okay, so my carrot is all boiled. It's still a little bit hot, but I'm going to make it do what it do. So I'm adding my carrots to my blender. So my carrot is all blended, looking all orangey. So all we are about to do now is add, our ingredients. I put a supple gen in mine. Wow. And a strong shake.
Will you try it?
You want to try it?
Yeah. Mommy, try this? Mommy, give me.
You want to come pour? Come pour. Come around.
Oh, let's see.
Listen. So my son wanted to help me. Here you go, buddy. Pour it in.
Oh.
Good job, buddy. Good job. Hey. So how I do mine, I do add a little bit of alcohol to mine. This is a dragon stout. Makes the flavor really, really good. But my son, he likes to drink carrot juice. So what I do, I just sweeten it with, condensed milk. I don't add sugar or anything. I just use a condensed milk. And I put aside what he's going to drink, and then I add my stout.
Ready? Mommy.
Wait, baby, wait.
Mommy,
Hold it. Pour. Hold it. Want to do it? Hold it back.
Ah! Go, go, go!
Good job.
Yeah! Go. Yeah.
And then I do add a little bit of cinnamon to mine.
Cinnamon.
That's cinnamon. Say cinnamon. Say cinnamon, Michael.
Cinnamon. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Good job.
Cinnamon.
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 He said cinnamon.
Tasty.
So what I do is I share his out in a bottle.
Yeah.
Then here comes the goodness. We're adding the stout.
Mom, it's so.
So that was my carrot juice and how I made it. Here I have a nice little glass of it. I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, so I need to do that.
Oh, so good. It's so refreshing, but here's the thing with me. I don't like carrot juice. I don't like to drink mine with ice. I like to chill it. I only put some ice in it. No, because it's a little bit warm, I should say.
No.
Because I tried to do the recipe real quick and just to show you guys on camera what I did. So I did put some ice in it, but I do put mine on the fridge and let it really chill because the ice changed the consistency for me, so I just prefer to drink it without ice and really chilled. So there you have it, another recipe. I hope you guys will try this drink. It's really good. You know, you can control the things that you put in it. You can sweeten it to taste. You know, just like how I, took my son's portion out before I add the liquor. You could do the same thing if you don't want to do that. So yeah, definitely try this recipe. It's really, really good, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.